Alright, hey everybody, welcome back. This is Griffen Hock, Berkshire Real Estate Company. Thanks a lot for visiting our site. You're here because you're a home buyer and you're interested in learning more about what our company is all about from a business standpoint, as well as what our philosophy is and kind of why we're in the business. So our background is finance and construction and real estate. So essentially it's a full service solution, and we were motivated to start this company as a result of the housing collapse. I saw so many people in pain and so many homeowners that were great people that just had their neighborhoods implode around them through no fault of their own. And what it really did is it made me firm up my resolve and really put my feet and dig my heels in to try and help every homeowner possible. And as a result of the housing collapse, we're starting to see tremendous opportunities in homeownership. Okay, so we really specialize in investments for homeowners and people that are interested in residential and commercial real estate as an investment. We've got specialized alternate programs for financing. We've got hedge fund capital that we've set aside that we can help people that are experienced real estate investors that want to buy foreclosures and help our neighborhoods by fixing them, turning the worst house on the street into the best house on the street. We can help them manage that process. We can help them through contractors that we've got relationships with, through our building services, through our property management, whether it's getting people leased into their property, collecting the rent, God forbid if they don't pay, taking the tenant to court, enforcing the property management so you don't have to. So your investment that you make in the real estate here locally, residentially, performs for you and really helps raise up the neighborhood values. What our mission is to take the worst house on the streets in the best neighborhoods and bring them up to the top. Stainless steel, granite, hardwood floors, the best accompaniments to houses in good neighborhoods that just happen to be very depressed right now. We've got a full service solution, over 30 years in construction, financing, and real estate at your disposal. Okay, whether it's the highest end custom home that you want to buy for 60-70 cents on the dollar, well, this market's the one that you can do it in. And I know this for a fact because I recently bought for my family an $860,000 home for $350,000. And it's because of our experience, relationship with the banks, as well as our strategies and understanding of financing and getting real estate mortgages closed, specialty financing products achieved, and helping homeowners achieve their goal. Whether it's that first-time home buyer that needs an FHA loan, that with a construction loan to help renovate the property, we can handle it. Whether it's that savvy real estate investor that wants to purchase with us bundles of 10s of 15 or 20 different homes at one time from real estate asset managers at banks that we have personal relationships with, you're our guy and we're your company. Or whether it's the professional that sees this opportunity to get their dream home, their forever home, and they want to make sure they can navigate through the short sales and the bank owned with good quality advisement, we're your company. Okay, you're our client. We're here locally in Michigan. We're happy to help you. We've got a ton of experience of building amazing multi-million-dollar quality construction homes, as well as selling them and financing them, as down all the way to the simple FHA first-time home buyer loan or the private mortgage for the family that may have inherited a home and they can't qualify financially, but they know there's equity in it and they want to use it in a smart, strategic way as a result of fixed interest rates being so low. We've got all those strategies, guys. The social proof is below. Take a look at some of our work. I think you'll find that it's some of the best quality you've ever seen. In fact, our contracting service and our building service was recently hired by a owner of a custom building company that is a huge company, a publicly traded company here locally in Michigan with his own name on the back of it to build his current residence because he knew his guys could not build it with as good a quality and a good distinctiveness as we could. So the proof is in the social examples that we have, our happy customers. Read through some of the videos below. I think you'll be happy as what you learn about us. And give us a call. We're happy to represent you for your listing. We're happy to get your house sold, and we've got a lot of really smart social media tools and new media benefits that are a lot different and get a lot more results than simply going through the old motions of the old print ad and throwing it in the newspaper. And we do those things as well, but we amplify your listing to drive a ton of traffic to it through social media, through our own search engine optimization, through the company that I own, Tiger New Media. We're professionals at this, guys. We've been doing it for a long time, and this is the opportunity for you to qualify working with us, buying a great investment property for your future, buying a great dream home for your future. So ask yourself, what are some of the, if you're sitting here 3 years from now, what would you have to occur for you to feel that hiring Berkshire Real Estate Company to represent you as your real estate professional is the best decision you ever made? Well, a lot of our clients say, well, I would know that I went through the process and I was protected legally. I knew I was with a professional that not only knew how to navigate through the legal components of the contract, but also new construction, and could point out flaws in homes that are going to cost me thousands in the future and protect me up front, and also help me use that as negotiation leverage. I would love to, a lot of our clients say that, the company working with Berkshire Real Estate Company was great because they connected us with their private relationships in banks real estate owned. And we actually get access to homes that are going into foreclosure or in foreclosure days before the public knows about it. Those are some of the intangibles that you get working with us based off of the area that you select. We've got expertise and we have the relationships with all the local banks, guys. So we can help you from that standpoint. What are some of the dangers of not hiring a company as competent as Berkshire Real Estate Company for your listing your home for sale or to help you buy a home? Well, a lot of mistakes could be made, guys. You could be working with an inexperienced real estate company, or one with a bad brand image, or one that just simply does not know or is short-staffed on how to get your deal done. Could result in delays. You could be working with a company that doesn't have 35 years experience, personal experience, that you have a personal relationship that you're working with to help make sure the buyer that's buying your home is financed. We've owned a mortgage company for the past 12 years. We know what a good pre-approval letter is and what a bad one is. We'll ask to review those for you personally to make sure you have insurance and the home that you sell to the buyer that you sell it to is creditworthy, going to qualify, and we can also help them manage that process, okay? Those are some of the dangers that occur if you do not align yourself with a good quality real estate company with good vision. Now, once you've established that you've taken the dangers away by aligning with a great real estate company to get your house sold or to find you that house that's your dream home for the right price for you, what are some of the opportunities that you can capitalize on? Well, you can turn that home buying process into a stress-free one. You can look at the different design options that we have and consult with us on the fun things. Hey, here's what I want this kitchen to look like after we buy the house. Hey, can you draw me up some sketches, or can you tell me what kind of pricing we'd be looking at to get this kitchen done? You guys, we do that all in-house. We've got awards, we've got accreditation, we've got financial benchmarks that we've passed at a very, very, very quick pace in our careers, okay? You're dealing with winners here. What are some of the strengths that you can focus on personally? Let's say it's 3 years from now, and those dangers are gone, right? You're protected legally. You've got good advisement. You've got good quality personal relationship backing you up and getting your back in your transaction. You're starting to capitalize on opportunities of creativity. You're able to focus on, hey, let's pick out paint. Let's pick out wallpaper. Let's pick out window treatments. Let's pick out fun things. Let's plan our renovation of the bathroom or the kitchen. Or, you know what? Maybe the house is perfect. Let's just clean it and start decorating with our things. Let's go through that image in your mind. You're able to do that with freedom because you're not stressed out in your transaction. You're getting quality leadership and advisement. And you can focus on your strengths now. So what are the strengths you can focus on when those dangers are out of the picture? You're starting to capitalize on opportunities of happiness and creativity. Well, I would say you can focus on getting your family acclimated to the neighborhood, interviewing the schools, picking out colors for the rooms. Perhaps it's new bedroom sets. Perhaps it's new bathroom supplies and towels and paint and vanities. You can pick out all of those fun and exciting and enjoyable things because you're not stressed out in your home purchase. You know you're getting it for an absolute rock bottom value. You know you're protected legally, and you've got the construction team that is world class behind you in the event that you want to price out or even look at any renovations. You've got custom home designer that's award winning that you can bounce ideas off of that will help you all in one place. It's 2011, guys. Welcome to the new economy in real estate. Berkshire Real Estate Company. We want to help you and help you not only get that house of your dreams, that forever house, but make sure your financing is done perfectly. Make sure you're in the best terms that you have, and also make sure you go through and you have advisement from top to bottom, A to Z, throughout the process, and even after you own your home. We're always here for you. Griffen Hock, Berkshire Real Estate Company, 248-755-0765. Look forward to speaking with you today. Thanks.